Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. So today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. I've never done one of these videos. This is my first ever Boxycharm video. Yes, I have been subscribed to Boxycharm for, I want to say like 8 months, I think, going on 8 months, and I absolutely love it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription, and it only costs $21 a month, and they send you 5 full-size beauty products. It can be eyeshadow palettes, mascara, lipstick. Sometimes they send you a face mask, like different things for your face. So if you guys have not subscribed to Boxycharm, you should join the subscription. It is worth it. All of the items in the box retail over $100. Some of the items are like $24 to $25 each, and you only pay $21 a month, and that's just for one item. So if you're into makeup or you want to get into makeup and things like that, you should subscribe to Boxycharm. It's the best. So in the box, so the box looks like this. When you open it, it kind of has like a pamphlet, and it shows you, it's like their theme, and then it shows you the products that are in, and it shows you the price. So the first product that's in here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which I heard a lot about, a lot of good reviews about, but I've never tried it. And it looks like this. It's a pretty color, and this goes for $24. So already this item was way over what you paid for. Next item is Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. So, ooh, this is pretty packaging. It looks like this. And it was, I remember, if you follow them on Instagram, they basically like give you sneak peeks and things like that. So I remember it was either getting a highlighter or a bronzer, which I was really praying for the bronzer because I'm in need of a bronzer, but this highlighter is like beautiful, so I don't mind that I got the highlighter. It looks like this. And this product retails for $32. Wow. The next item is Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Okay, so this is the primer, which I need primer. Oh, pretty. This is the primer. And I've never tried this primer, but it's a good size, it's full package, and I'm excited to try it. And this sells for $18. Next item is the Sol de I can't speak Spanish. Janeiro Cocoa Cabana Cream. I'm sorry if I didn't say that right, but I'm trying my best. Is this cream? As you can see, it's like a legit full size. And this sells for $20. And it looks like this. So cute. Cocoa Cabana Cream. And the last item in the box is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And this is what it is, and it goes for $24. This is what the nude stick looks like. It's in the copper color, which I'm excited to try because I love the whole bronzy kind of look. That's why I'm like praying for bronzer. If you guys have any suggestions on good bronzers, please leave it down in the comments because I'm searching for a really good bronzer. Wow. So if you add all that up, which I'm horrible in math, I know a lot of you can relate, we are going to add up and see how much everything cost if I were to go buy this at a store. So if I were to go buy all of this at a store, it would cost me $118. But with this subscription, I only paid $21 and I got all these items. That's a really good deal. So before I put on makeup, I want to try the No Problem Primer. So let's see how this works. So we're just gonna squirt like that much. I don't think I need a lot. I really just like to use primer in this area of my face. Ooh, it feels nice and smooth. It smells really good. It glides on the skin really smoothly. So for a start, I am liking this primer a lot. It's so silky. It feels like I don't know, like I'm rubbing silk on my face. Like it feels so soft. Alright, so I am back. As you can see, I put on a little bit of makeup. So the next thing we're gonna do is my eyes, because I really want to try this. So I'm feeling like I want to try like a blue kind of vibe mixed with this copper. So we're gonna try that and see how it goes. I already put on like my transition color. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm using my Glamour Profusion palette, and I kind of wanna, I'm scared to use this color, but I wanna try this blue. I'm kind of thinking of going in with this color first and then layering the blue on top. So I'm gonna try that first and then see how it goes. Alright, so that's a pretty color. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. I really like the whole vibrant look, so I'm applying like a lot. I'm gonna go in with that blue that I said. It blends really, really well, but I don't know if I like this blue. It looks so pretty. And now I'm going to try the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Looks so pretty. Wow, this is. I like how it spreads my lashes, because I've had mascaras where like it kind of clumps my lashes together, and I don't really like that. But this one kind of like separates them evenly. Wow. So this, it's like I can't stop just like brushing my lashes with it because it's so good. I'm so mad I've never bought this before. But at the same time, I'm so happy that it was put into this Boxycharm, because now I know that this is the mascara I've been looking for. The next thing I'm going to use is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. And I've never used this before either. I see that shine. Oh my god, I am shining! Guys, I am glowing. I think I went a little too overboard. I'm actually not that mad that I didn't get the bronzer. I actually like this highlighter. It looks so glossy. So the last thing that came in the box is Sol de Janeiro, however you say it. But it's like it's a moisture magnet oil and water body cream, which I love. I'm the type of person that I need to moisturize my body like every 10 minutes. Well, at least my hands and stuff, and my arms. Especially when I get out the shower, like I cannot go a day without moisturizing my body. So I'm actually really excited that I got this, and it's in such cute little packaging. So let's see. Oh my god, so fancy. Let's open this up. If I can get it open. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like, like a cookie or something. Smooth and milky. Look. Oh my god. It feels like I don't know, I'm speechless. It feels so great. Like, it feels like cooling and like so smooth, and I feel like a lot of these products to me feel silky for some reason. But wow, and it smells so good. Oh my god, this is gonna be in my purse everywhere I go. Wow, this is amazing. So it has come to the end of my video. If you guys like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up. I did this look with everything from Boxycharm, not including my eyeshadow palette. But this is the look that I got. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!